In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Microsoft Word's sign-in problem. Let's dive right in and get started on resolving this issue so you can get back to your work without any hassles. First off, we need to ensure your internet connection is working properly. Open up a web browser on your computer. Visit any website you regularly go to, like news or social media pages. If these pages do not load, it's a sign that your internet connection might be down. In that case, try reconnecting to the internet. This step is crucial because a stable internet connection is necessary for signing into Microsoft Word. Without it, Word won't be able to verify your account details. Once your internet connection is confirmed working, the next step is to sign out and then sign back into Word. Open Microsoft Word on your device. Look at the top right corner where your profile picture or initials are displayed. Click on this area to reveal a drop-down menu. From there, select the option to sign out. It's important to close Word completely after signing out to ensure the sign-out process completes properly. After closing Word, reopen it again. This time, when prompted, select the Sign In option. Enter your Microsoft account credentials carefully. This step can often refresh the connection between your Word application and your Microsoft account, solving minor glitches in the process. Remember, accurately entering your login details is key to avoiding further sign-in issues. With that done, let's verify that your Microsoft 365 subscription is active. Open a web browser and sign into your Microsoft account by typing the address bar account.microsoft.com. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Services and Subscriptions section. Here, you can check the status of your subscription, ensure that it is active. If you find that it has expired, you will need to follow the steps to renew it. Having an active subscription is essential because Microsoft Word requires it to access all features. After confirming or renewing your subscription, open Word once more and sign in with your Microsoft account. At this point, if your subscription is active and your internet connection is stable, you should be able to sign in without any issues. This ensures that you have the latest updates and features available. By following these steps carefully, you can resolve most sign-in problems associated with Microsoft Word. Remember, each step is important and helps identify where the issue might be. Whether it's an internet connection problem, a sign-in glitch, or a subscription issue, tackling these one by one ensures a thorough troubleshooting process. Thank you for following along with me today. I hope these instructions were clear and helpful. If you're still having trouble, consider reaching out to Microsoft support for further assistance. They can provide more detailed help tailored to your specific situation. Have a great day and see you in the next video.